This video will show you top 5 places to visit in Austria and other more suggestions at the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment your country in the comment box below so that we can make videos about your country in the future. Austria is a country situated in Central Europe. The country's landscapes such as the Alps provides breathtaking sceneries and opportunities for outdoor activities. The country is also renowned for its excellent infrastructure, high-quality education, and well-functioning healthcare system. Tourism plays a significant role in Austria's economy, with visitors drawn to its stunning landscapes, historic sites, and world-class ski resorts, making it a captivating destination for both tourists and residents. These suggestions are based on our research and trip to Austria. Here are some places you would love to visit. 1. Hallstatt. This is a small village situated in the shore of Lake Hallstatt and surrounded by mountains. It is famous for its well-preserved Alpine houses, which are built on narrow terraces below the lake. It is one of the oldest settlements in Europe that has a long history dated back to thousands of years. Hallstatt attracts tourists with its charming atmosphere and surrounding mountains, which offers opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and skiing. 2. Vienna. It is the capital city of Austria, known for its stunning architecture and high quality of life. The city serves as a cultural and political center for centuries. The city's architecture is a testimony of its past, with grand palaces and Art Nouveau buildings. Vienna is also renowned for its coffee house culture, where locals and visitors can relax and savor a cup of coffee. Vienna consistently ranked among the world's top cities in terms of quality of life and living. 3. Wachau Valley. Located along the Danube River, the area is characterized by vineyards, charming villages, and castles. The slopes of the valley are planted with grapevines, and the region is renowned for its production of high-quality white wines. It also offers a range of activities for visitors, including scenic hiking through the river and cycling through the vineyards. However, if you are interested in history, wine, or beauty of nature, the valley provides a captivating experience for all who visit. 4. Innsbruck. The city offers numerous opportunities for outdoor lovers, especially during winter seasons. Its imperial palace, university, and court church are notable landmarks that showcases the Innsbruck historical significance. It has hosted the Winter Olympic twice and boasts world-class ski resorts. The city also has a vibrant cultural scene with a wide range of museums and music festivals. Innsbruck is a charming city that blends natural beauty, history, and modern amenities. 5. Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave. This is the largest ice cave in the world, formed by a combination of natural processes, including the movement of water through the limestone rock and freezing temperature of the region. Its unique features include frozen waterfalls and ice sculptures that have been shaped by centuries of freezing. Guide tours take visitors through the cave, allowing them to witness the beauty of the icy landscape. The temperature inside the cave remains around freezing throughout the year, so visitors are advised to dress warmly. Of course, there are other places to visit in Austria, but it all depends on the side you want to visit and days you spend in this amazing city. If you love this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.